subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone in China called Realme V11s 5G, and although it looks similar to Realme V11 5G smartphone, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V11s 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a large 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, and it is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that is expandable up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme V11s 5G supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner. That includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The smartphone weighs around 189 grams and it has 8.4mm thickness. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V11s 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to be available for purchase in the country in black and aurora violet color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme V11s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.